Hey Scorpio, this is going to be a general reading for you from the 9th of October till the 16th of October. This reading is for Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus signs. You've already got your first card. Wow. Scorpio, I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you guys are safe. Oopsie. Wow, Scorpio. Your cards are just flying. Thank you so much for helping. Okay. Wow, why are you getting all these reversals? Someone from the past comes back again. As if I don't understand. Why do people leave if they have to come back? Or do they suddenly realize how much they love you? Scorpio. There are two people I see, and I see you. I also feel that one person was somebody who you had a connection with, like a mental, emotional connection with. And there was another one who was with you just for the sake of it. I see two people. And I see you in reverse. So, yeah, you are getting too many reversals, guys. What's happening? There is no communication. There was absolutely no communication in the past. You felt as if things had just come to a standstill. Um, you didn't feel, neither of you felt like communicating with the other, Scorpio. I felt that you guys were very focused on your own work, and your person was focused on their own, in their own life, and they were not paying attention to this connection. And I feel that there was an ending. One person, one of them, is somebody that ended things with you. The other one, you ended things with. Could be a fellow Scorpio, Cancer, or Pisces. Also, could be an Aquarius or a Taurus or even a Leo, um, Sagittarius, or Aries. Basically, it could be any sun sign. And I feel that this connection that you were in, it feels more like a trap, felt more like a trap, one of them. But the other one liberated you. But both came to an end. Somebody tried to move on, somebody tried to, move away from you, Scorpio, but they can't. They couldn't. And I think they're coming back. I can see it actually. They want to come back. And also, the card at the bottom of the deck was Six of Cups, which also means, the past person coming back or past friendships, or in your case, it's more of an emotional, romantic sense because you have the King of Cups and you have the Queen of Cups. Though she's in reverse, but it still matters, you know. Um, they want to come and communicate, but I feel that they're holding back. They're feeling as if you will just cut them off. You won't listen to them, or you will just snub them, or probably you'll just turn the entire communication into a fight, which I feel you won't. But it's what they feel, and I feel Scorpio, somewhere even you want to get this conversation over with. They will be communicating, they're just going back and forth because they don't realize the fact that you won't lash out at them. On the contrary, you will sit and listen to them, hear them out, and would want to voice your opinion on the same as well. They're scared of facing the truth right now. Whoever this person is, whoever this person, uh, this person, one of them who let you down and made you feel as if you weren't good enough. Actually, I think both did. Both of them made you feel that way in their own ways. One did it more practically, the other one did not. The other one made a mistake, and that mistake um, was a huge one. I mean, sometimes we don't realize that even though the other person um, forgives us for what we've done, they aren't really over it, Scorpio. And it was a third party situation, and you thought that things could just become okay after an apology, but I'm so sorry, they did not become okay. The other person felt betrayed, the other person felt as if you left them out in the cold. And they also felt as if you didn't value them enough. So they chose to leave, but they couldn't leave. They're there. They don't want to come back. They're mentally trapped with you, Scorpio. But um, I think they're in your life. They're still in your life, but they don't want to be in that same space again where, they felt weak. They don't want to be in that space. The other one wants to communicate, probably apologize for their behavior, and but they feel that you might not accept their apology. They feel that this conversation might lead to another fight or an argument. Even though they are hell-bent on asking you how you are, what's happening, they're just scared about how it may turn out to be. But they will communicate sooner or later. You've got wait and soulmate relationship. Don't rush into action right now. Bide your time for better results, Scorpio. New romance with a spiritual basis is here for you now. Probably when this person contacts you, the one who wants to contact you, this person, they will offer you a proposal to start afresh, and then it'll be up to you to, take that offer or leave it, Scorpio. I think somebody else also got the same reading. I don't know, I think it was Cancer or somebody. Worth waiting for and practice. Right now I feel because you are also trapped in your thoughts, Scorpio. Pay attention to your skills, pay attention to your work. Don't think too much about this person who you want. You know, I'm sure that you want this communication to happen, and it will happen in its own time. All you need to do right now is divert your mind and, pay attention to your skills, practice your skills, or, your passion. Indulge in your passions. Oh, ask your angels. You are actually, whoever is um, watching this video right now, firstly, thank you so much. And these are your angels answering you. So you're at the right place at the right time, Scorpio. Even if you're a cross watcher checking out for a Scorpio, welcome. And you have your answers right in front of you. In case you are the person who wants to, communicate with the Scorpio, I think you should, because they'll be okay with this communication. Though there will be some kind of hesitation from their side, but they'll be okay with it. So please go ahead and take that leap of faith, because, oh, wow. Guys, okay, I need to show you guys what just came out. Do you see that? Do you see that, guys? Scorpio, this is your sign. Let go of the negativity, please. And cross watchers, go and offer that love to Scorpio. They're waiting for you. Probably they're just waiting for you to make the move and they'll forgive you, guys. And there's such beautiful things happening. I mean, nobody could move on from each other. What are you waiting for? Trust me. The 8th, 16th, 15th, 8, yeah, 8 is a very prominent number, 8th of October. I think they're going to contact you or you're going to contact them, Scorpio. If you're a cross watcher, yes, I think you should contact them now, and probably they will, revert to your message or um, reply to your calls around the 8th of October. Guys, this is your sign. I'm so happy. I've got the full moon in Scorpio, and this is a Scorpio reading, and you couldn't have wished for more. I mean, this is your sign, guys. I'm so excited. Go ahead, guys. This is a soulmate relationship, and it was worth waiting for. Come on, Scorpio. You've got this. I'm so happy for you guys. Thank you so much, angels. Scorpio, someone's watching over you. I'm so glad to be a part of this reading. I hope you are too. And I hope you guys take care of yourselves and make this move. Come on, guys. You've got this. That's about it, Scorpio. Go ahead. Have fun. Take care, guys. Bye. Thank you for watching.